Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on RPL. On a weekly time frame chart, RPL has already broken out a quite long-term down channel, and after that, you can see that the price and imminently broke out a quite long-term resistance of $25.50 as well. That is now working as a very nice support for the past several weeks a month. And now the price line is struggling to break out the next resistance of $33. You can see that for the past several weeks, this level is breaking as a very strong resistance. And after that, the next imminent resistance will be here at $36.50 that had been previously breaking as a support here back in the month of January 2023. And therefore now it is again breaking as a resistance. We had a long spike up to this resistance here, but the price then could not break out and move down again. And we are also moving up after testing this long-term support of EMA 21 as well. You can see that we had a long spike here. The price then moved slightly down. Then this support of EMA 21 here as well, but could not completely break it down. And now the price then is geared up, and this EMA 21 can again work as a nice support. In fact, it is breaking as a nice support right now for the price line. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you a hidden bullish divergence that is flashed on the 7 days time frame chart. You can see that the price line is forming slightly higher low than previous lows, and at the same time you can see that stochastic is moving down and it is forming lower than previous low. And now we have also received a bull cross by stochastic that is quite significant, especially at this time when we are trying to break out this quite long-term resistance of $33 as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you my most recent trade signal for RPL that I shared almost 4 days ago with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 13% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for RPL that I shared 4 days ago with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardley pattern that RPL was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target sign and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price then dropped more down, completed the leg here, entered the buying zone. Then we had a very, very nice reversal, and so far it has rallied more than 16%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to this weekly time frame chart, and here you can see that the price line has already broken out a quite long-term down channel, and now there is a hidden bullish divergence. It's also flash. You can see that the price line is forming higher lows, but stochastic is forming a lower low, and now stochastic has also given us a bull cross as well. You can see that this blue line has crossed up the orange line. That is a buying signal, especially at this time when we are trying to break out this resistance of $33. This bullish signal, buying signal, is quite significant, and now there is a probability that soon we may break out the resistance of $33. However, if the price end will not break it out and it will be rejected by this resistance, then it can drop down again. And you can see that we have also found another uptrend line support here as well, and it can test this support. However, so far so good. The price line is trying to break it out, and after breaking it out, the next resistance will be here. That will be approximately at $36.50. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, you can see that we had a nice powerful rally, but the price end so far did not hit that target. If I place this measurement tool, then you can see that it has rallied more than 134%, where the target is here at the top of the wedge, that is between $65 to $70. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.